I put on my apron. I put on my apron. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I read the recipe. I read the recipe. I preheat the oven. I preheat the oven. I take out the flour. I take out the flour. I take out the sugar. I take out the sugar. I pick up the butter. I pick up the butter. I get 3 eggs. I get 3 eggs. I measure the milk. I measure the milk. I weigh the cocoa. I weigh the cocoa. I find a large bowl. I find a large bowl. I pour the flour. I pour the flour. I add the sugar. I add the sugar. I mix the dry ingredients. I mix the dry ingredients. I crack the first egg. I crack the first egg. I crack the third egg. I crack the third egg. I add the soft butter. I add the soft butter. I stir everything together. I stir everything together. I beat the batter. I beat the batter. I grease the cake pan. I grease the cake pan. I pour the batter into the pan. I pour the batter into the pan. I smooth the top. I smooth the top. I put the pan inside. I put the pan inside. I take the cake out. I take the cake out. I spread the frosting. I spread the frosting. I decorate the cake. I decorate the cake. I slice the cake. I slice the cake.